How to deactivate or delete your Telegram account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. Log into your account and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find settings. After you click on settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find privacy and security. Click on privacy and security. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find delete my account option. You cannot straight away delete Telegram account. You'll have to click on self-destruct if inactive for option. You'll find all these months, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and other months. If you want to delete it sooner, simply click on 1 month, and if you're inactive for 1 month, your account will be deleted. And this is how to deactivate or delete your Telegram account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.